I went to film school so you don't have to, and today we're going to be tackling depth of field. Depth of field is a very important concept, and we have a pretty standard definition for it in film school. It goes as follows. Depth of field is the acceptable amount of focus given the distance of the subject from the focus plane, the aperture, and the focal length of the lens. So these three factors combined will give us a separate depth of field. What does this actually mean though? What is the aperture? The aperture is how big the opening of the lens is and how much light is therefore allowed to hit the sensor. The wider the opening, the shallower the depth of field, meaning we have more bokeh. We have the subject and then we have a blurred background. The narrower the opening, the deeper the depth of field, meaning more planes of the film planes are in focus. So you can see the background, you can see the middle ground, and you can see the foreground. So the focal length is basically the measurement between the lens element and the sensor, and this is measured in millimeters. We have very short distances, which are the wide lenses, anytime between 16 to 35 millimeters. 35 to 50 is a medium, and anything above 50 is some sort of telephoto lens. This is important because the wider the lens, the less depth of field, and therefore the less bokeh. Between 50 and above, we have more bokeh because we have a shallower depth of field. Next, we have the distance of the subject from the focus plane. The further the subject is from the camera, the deeper the depth of field will be because they're closer to the background. And the closer the subject is to the camera, the shallower the depth of field will be because there will be a larger distance between the subject and the background. All these elements in conjunction lead to a particular value for the depth of field.